Sorry, guys. I'm sorry. Uh, good evening to everybody. Good day. Good morning. My name is Alex Shevchenko, and we are here on the Friday Alpha League sessions with Aurora. Sorry for my mic being muted, and yeah. So now we are kind of starting everything from the very beginning. This is a Friday Alpha Leaks sessions. This is a live stream that you're able to access on Twitter, YouTube, and our Discord. This is a live stream, so please ask all of your questions. You see that the mistakes can happen on live streams. Yeah. This is already not the first time when we saw the mistakes happening on live streams in the last 24 hours. Yeah, so please ask your questions. And without further ado, let's get into the updates. So first, this week we've published the monthly recap on the what was happening in the Aurora ecosystem. We started the month of January very, very powerful. We've released the Aurora Cloud Console. This is the admin interface for you to launch your virtual chains. Besides that, WAGMI Hub announced the WAGMI chain. They're launching a chain on top of the Aurora virtual blockchain stack. We've connected with the builders on the BIDL Europe, and we did. There were some additional audits that were published. We have been talking about the number of chains that we would like to launch, and in general about what does this thing mean, and many different things in general. So there are quite a lot of updates here, and you can go and read through all of this in this particular thread. And the second thing that was published was the engineering updates. So as usually, we're kind of splitting these pieces into two parts, kind of more generic update and more engineering focused updates, technical updates. And there are also quite a lot of very interesting information there in a more structured way, as engineers love, inside of the blog that you're able to find on aurora.dev/blog. So there are quite a lot of different things, addition of the different AIPs, deployment of the updates of the hot MPC, taking over of the Near Lake. This is one of the solutions that quite a lot of people in the Near ecosystems are using. We have been doing the research on TEEs and so on. There are quite a lot of different things here. So for everybody who are interested in this, please take a look. And one of these researches that we have been performing in January, and finally it finished just approximately a week ago, was the interesting use case when multiple very prominent technologies are coming together to achieve something that was pretty hard to imagine that this is possible. So in the recent post, Slava, our DevRel, have been working on this example. The Gnosis Safe solution, a very trusted multi-sig provider integrated with Aurora mainnet. This solution, or this instance of a Gnosis Safe, was able to call through Aurora cross-contract call SDK, something that is outside of the Aurora virtual chain. And this something was a Near's chain signature solution. And this is the infrastructure for allowing any accounts on Near, including smart contracts, to own private keys. And by calling these chain signatures infrastructure, Gnosis Safe on Aurora was able to perform a transaction on Bitcoin blockchain. Literally, what this demo is showing is that Gnosis Safe, together with Aurora's cross-contract calls and Near's chain signatures, is now becoming not only the trusted multi-sig solution for EVMs, but rather a trusted multi-sig solution for any crypto on any blockchain. Bitcoin, Solana, Ton, even Sui, right? All of these blockchains can get some additional security from the really trusted solution that doesn't need to be migrated. This is a very powerful example when the technologies are coming together. For those of you who are more interested in the technical details of this, you're able to find it in a separate article inside of the inside of our documentation. Besides that, Slava has recorded the video about it. Moving on to the near intents, and we just got a little bit of privacy on the near intents. Now, anyone are able to buy and sell Zcash on inside of the near intents. As to my best knowledge, integrating Zcash into the cross-chain swapping decentralized exchange or decentralized protocol is happening for the first time. So I'm super happy to work together with Zcash community. They have been proven to be extremely supportive and extremely pushing forward and trying things out, very curious about how things are working. That was really, really great. And I think that this release is just the beginning of a long a partnership and long friendship in between Near and Zcash communities. So everybody from Zcash, thank you very much for your support. Thank you very much for active usage, and I hope you are liking it. And for those who have not having the exposure to Zcash, this is a great chance for you to try it out and see what Zcash is able to offer to you. Moving on, this week we've got a couple of live streams during which we have been talking about different things. Alexei have been joining the DevHub online session yesterday, and the whole talk was about intents, how things are working there, and what are the technical difficulties there. And another thing that was happening is the AMA with Haken. That was happening on the 12th of December, so 2 days ago. And it was all about the security aspects, how to properly do the security audits, and the newest technology that was released by Haken that is called Flash Pulse. So again, Alexei have been participating in this stuff. I hope that everyone who wanted to listen to this, they had a chance to do this. But if because of some reason you missed it, and you would like to listen to it, deep security questions have been discussed there. We would like to congratulate Arium, our long-term partners, and one of the guys who are launching a virtual blockchain with completion of their seed round. So congratulating the team with getting this seed round, seed funding round. Arium is showing an absolutely tremendous results in terms of the user growth and in general their business growth. Remind everybody, Arium is a cloud gaming platform with the ability for the users to set up tournaments and fight against each other. And in these tournaments, they're betting with crypto. So this is a very interesting setup and very interesting kind of project from my point of view. And you're able to use Arium right here, right now. You just need to go to arium.gg. Try it out and tell me how is cloud gaming. Our other partners, Strawberry AI, are continuously working on improving their technology stack, and their 0x Luigi, which is their kind of bot that kind of AI, this is their core AI agent, just got smarter. They have been updating it with, as far as I understand, kind of latest versions of the models. And you're able to talk to Luigi directly on luigi.usestrawberry.ai. So go and check it out. Our another partner, TurboChain, is continuously building some different things on the chain. And this week they are revealing that Open Format are building the rewards platform on top of the TurboChain. So looking forward and to see how things are going to work with the Open Format. And another project, and now we're coming into the section with the upcoming things. So pretty close to now, just a little bit later, after these Alpha League sessions, WAGMI Hub is going to have the discussion around the survival of meme coins. So they're doing this not alone, but actually together with Turbo. So if you're interested in this stuff, go and check it out on the WAGMI Hub. Next week on Monday in our Discord channel, you're able to participate in the brainstorming session for 1 trillion agents hackathon. So as you know, 1 trillion agents hackathon is a hackathon that is organized by the Near protocol. And we decided to make a pre-party for it, create a brainstorming session to kind of discuss ideas around the virtual chains and how can you make AI agents to run these virtual chains. There will be prizes for this brainstorming session, and in total there will be a prize of $500 in the Aurora tokens. So please come join our Discord and participate in this activity. And if you willing to build actually something, please don't forget that on the same hackathon there is a bounty from the Aurora that is coming there. And the idea behind this bounty is very simple. You don't need to develop complicated stuff. What you need to do is imagine yourself a virtual chain that is ruled by an AI agent. Let's dive into this potential future when AI agents are able to launch their own chains and try to think on how the things can be operated on such chains. Is there going to be interesting gas mechanics? What type of maybe there will be some mechanics on transfers of the tokens. You can imagine a communist chain. When you transfer something, then it is split across all of the users of this chain, something like that, or something else. Right, so join, figure out, show your creativity. This is more of a fun kind of fun bounty, and I'm pretty sure that lots of creative people would be able to generate lots of great ideas here. So please join our bounty on the hackathon. Let me stop screen sharing. And let's take a look. Yeah, Alex, I'm muted. Thank you very much. I cannot read. Yes, exactly. Thank you, Armand, for calling me. Okay, no sound. What a live stream is it? Yeah. Hello, Tony. Elaborate on TEs. Yeah, so TEs is a very interesting direction of the development. We are looking into the TEs. These are trusted execution environments. This is a pretty kind of, there is a version 2 of this technology that is released, and with this technology you are able to run your your code securely, and that's a very interesting, very kind of pretty cool thing. And this actually can change a lot the way how we're thinking about the blockchains. Okay, cool. So it seems like there are all of the questions, and I hope you are enjoying the marketing that Near Protocol is having recently. If you're not enjoying, if you're enjoying, I invite you to come to my Twitter, and I have a special poll to figure out whether people are mostly enjoying or not enjoying the marketing around the marketing event that was happening earlier today or yesterday for somebody. Let's figure it out. What are the stats on this? And thanks for joining us today in the live stream. And I hope you are going to get some recharge during the weekend and be ready for the next week, because the next week is the week when the events around East Denver are starting. So the news about things that are prepared for East Denver are starting to pop out around. So let's see what the next week is going to bring to us. And until then, have a good one and see ya.